As much as stereotypes and misrepresentations of schizophrenia abound everywhere, and indeed anywhere, circulated in the media, but also in everyday conversations, in films, in our lay conceptions of what schizophrenia is in the first place, it is nevertheless vital to note that the primary site of schizophrenia stigmatization is, in fact, medical. Mental health professionals, that is, tend to hold negative beliefs and attitudes towards schizophrenia. Studies have shown that they express desires for greater social distance from schizophrenic people, that they are less optimistic about the prognoses for their schizophrenic patients, and, most importantly, that they think about schizophrenia in terms very different from other mental health conditions. Most mental health professionals, in other words, hold a far more biological vision of schizophrenia's etiology than they do in the case of, say, depression, which is just as easily found described in psycho-environmental terms as it is in terms of some sort of a biological disease. A biogenetic perspective is a well-known predictor of mental illness stigma. When the disease model is applied to the brain, both the popular conceptions of schizophrenia and the ideas of mental health professionals begin to incline towards essentialism. Combined with an unfounded biogenetic explanation of schizophrenia, this essentialism only compounds the stigmatizing perception that all schizophrenic people form a monolithic block, with very little internal variety or room for prognoses different from the severest forms of schizophrenia. That is why Bird et al. Argue, for instance, that as a diagnostic category and as a real-life experience, schizophrenia labors under a biogenetic fatalism, one that excludes any space for a continuum vision of schizophrenia or any psychosocial explanation.